Awang Nongpok Lamdam Singda Lairiba Academician Amasung Mahairoi Singda Kadai Fauba Internet Service ke Kudong Chaba Fanglibage Haina Survey Taubada Manipur na Khwaidagi Name State Hoidi Haina Union Minister of State for Education gi Puramba Dr. R.K. Ranjan na Fongdokre Wafamasi DM College of Science ta Pangtokhiba Vikshit Varat Amasung National Education Policy 2020 gi Matangda Pangtokhiba Nongmagi Oiba Consultative Workshop ta Fongdokhibane Manipur University gi Center for Study of Social Inclusion IQAC amasung Dhanamanjuri University na sinduna pangthokhiba thauramadu Ranjan makataraduna digital amasung online education gi khudong chaba fanghanba haibasi internet service gi khudong chaba mapung fana leihanba mathautai mahakna Minister of State for Education ge thaupuringai matamda North East State ta lairiba academician amasung mahairoi singda internet facility kadai fauba yauna fanglibage haina thizinbada Manipur na chada Nifu mangagi makhada internet facility fangi haiba khangbangam khe loina Meghalaya na chada marfu Nagaland amasung Assam na chada humfutara mangagi changda internet facility fangbangam mi haikhe loina na Manipur gumba internet service amasung fana fangbangam state asida mataukaram na education sector da chawkhalhanbangam gani haina nungnangba fongdokhe thauramadu mari lainaba oja sing amade akhang ahi kayana sarukyakhe.
How much of internet facilities are provided to the academician as well as to the students. I am not criticizing my own state. It's a drawback for us. Nagaland, 75% of the students community, the academic communities enjoy the facility of the internet. Mizoram, about 60%. Meghalaya is about 80%. Assam, 75%. Sikkim, so on and so forth. But Manipur is still below 45% of the facilities is extended to the education system. So under such circumstances, how can we use this kind of digital and online education?